Dear students, we are going to talk about the difference between two cultural terms, which are very important and often being used synonymously, like sociology of culture and cultural sociology. Uh, Contemporary sociologists' approach to culture is often divided between these two terms. However, there is, although they are often being used interchangeably, but there is a subtle difference between the both. So we will try to understand the difference. What is the sociology of culture and the cultural sociology? Uh, Sociology of culture is an older concept and considers some topics and objects as more or less cultural than others. It often reduces the culture to dependent variable, whereas the society as independent variable. For example, when we talk about the culture as dependent variable and society as independent variable, we can see as an example कि जैसे लोग म्यूजियम्स के अंदर आर्ट्स और डिफरेंट पोर्ट्रेज को क्यों विजिट करते हैं. So we will talk about that sociology of culture from the point of view of people. Then, when we talk about the cultural sociology by the way of contrast, which is being introduced by Jeffrey Alexander, uh, it is an approach that sees all or most social phenomena as inherently cultural, because for cultural sociology, everything comes in the domain of within the domain of culture, which needs to be studied from a sociological point of view. So it views society as already cultural. Indeed, the social is in very significant ways culturally constructed. So here, the culture plays the dominant role as an independent variable, whereas society is the dependent variable. To conclude it, we can say that sociology of culture takes culture as something to be explained, and cultural sociology explains social phenomena by using culture.